Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ihtesham and today I will show you how to trim clips in After Effects. If you want to cut or trim any clips in After Effects, so I am gonna show you how to do it. So first of all you have to click on edit and then click on split layers so you can see that our clip is trimmed. In this way you can cut or trim any clips in After Effects. After Effects is a little bit different from other editing apps, but it's not difficult to cut any clip in After Effects. So this is an easy way to cut any clips in After Effects, and you can adjust your trim clip wherever you want. So thanks for watching guys, and support us if you like our video. I will continuously uploading these kind of videos on my channel.